What's up, guys? Tactical Trash Panda again, part 2 of the sight upgrade on the Glock 48 MOS. Proud Brownells BOP member. Make sure when you're doing your shopping at Brownells, hit that affiliate link. It'll help the channel out. But not only that, I'm gonna help you out too. Anything over $150 or more, use code BOP10. Some restrictions on brands are there, but for the most part, you can save money. That being said, let's get started. Last video, I did install the night vision optic ready height sights. So the MOS system comes with a T10 Torx wrench. So let's do our best to take these out. All right, those are off now. I will save these in my Glock box that it came with. Or actually, never mind. I'll keep them in my little container that has all my Glock parts. Now, for the 48 MOS, you will need an adapter plate if you want to use the 407K, 507K. The reason why, I believe it's an RMSC post. If you look at the footprint on these, you see there's a recoil post right there. 2 in the back, 2 in the front. Well, Holosun only has 2 up front, nothing in the back. So if you try to directly put it on, you're gonna get that gap. There are companies that you could send your slide off to and they will mill these posts down. But if you don't wanna do that, just get your C&H plate, adapter plate, and it says this side up. You can't mess this up, and it has this little bump right here where put that in. What that does is it flushes out these 2 bottom posts and it still gives you a little bit of recoil post up front. Also want to advise you to be careful because your ejector plunger spring is right there. It says C&H says that, was it C&H? No, it was the Glock MOS right here, that you do not want the post going in there, which I've always made sure not to do. So you want 8 millimeters altogether, you know, to go in there, so it just sits right above that plunger hole. I'm not sure how tall these screws are, so what I'm gonna do is take this back cover off. Take your striker out, take your plunger out. Put the plate on. And it sits, yeah, so. Take one of the screws. It says you gotta torque it down to 10 foot-pounds of torque. My Torx wrench, the lowest it goes to is 15 torque pounds, so I'm not gonna risk using that. I'm just gonna do it by hand like I have with all my sights in the past. And I just want to check in there. I do not see the screw extruding. That's a good sign. You can flash your light in there. It is not extruding, that's perfect. Now, if the screw is touching this, you can have ejection problems. I'm gonna take these off one by one. You wanna use Loctite again, or some sort of thread locker. As always, I just use a little bit of rubbing alcohol. You could use acetone, probably even paint thinner, I don't know. But just clean those threads off, get the factory oils off of them. And you can just twist it in there. Clean it off, you see? A little bit of oil, so. I'll put this back on. Forgot to put the thread locker on there. A little bit goes a long way, so let's take some of that off. You don't want this to bleed into your channel. And install. Take this one off. Just tighten it down by hand. I don't know if that's 10 inch-pounds or not, but I believe it is. It's close to it, if not. And just put that back in there. Just double check the channel. Yes, okay, the screw is not protruding. That's exactly what we want. Put your plunger back in. Put your rear plate back on. Push that down. Push the plunger down. Snap back into place. And we are good to go. Let's turn this light on. Ooh, that is bright. Let's turn that down a little bit. And I can already tell that it does need to get slightly adjusted, but yeah, it's almost dead on with the sights. Guys, that's how you install the Holosun 507K onto your Glock 48 MOS or 43 MOS. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Use the affiliate links. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. Hopefully it'll be taking this to the range and zeroing it out and putting a couple hundred rounds through it. Till next time, guys, take care.